Hi, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef David and Buster. I just recently had a chef party at my house with one of my great friends, Chef Tim Farley from Alaska. Came to visit. I prepared a bunch of stuff and we had a great time.
I am an Alaskan chef. My wife and I, we make small batch barbecue, slow cooked over hickory and mesquite, and we only produce a certain amount every day. Usually we sell out, you know. I want to say everything is made fresh. You're really not going to find anything like what we produce anywhere else. We're very unique.
For your food truck.
For my food trailer, Barbecue Babes. That's right. Farley Farm LLC. I'm just chopping some grilled vegetables up here. It looks like we got ourselves a little succotash. This is some grilled onions.
This is some beautiful porterhouses, marinated Korean style, and some New Yorks. Let's get it. We have a beautiful poke, fresh guacamole, and a fresh salmon dip that Tim brought from Alaska that he made.
Korean steak.
Say Korean steak again.
Hawaiian Mac.
Is it really Korean steak, dude?
Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll definitely see what we come up with on the next video. All right, aloha.